Here we are on the patreon.com website, where it reads Creativity Powered by Memberships. Up in the top left hand corner you can see a tab which reads For Creators, which will show you the different types of creators that use Patreon right now, which include podcasters, video creators, musicians, visual artists, communities, writers and journalists, gaming creators, non-profits, tutorials and education, local businesses and creators of all kinds. Patreon really do put you first as the creator. Now let's take you into the pricing to show you how much Patreon will cost you. This is going to be really cool because you can start right now. Let me show you what it's all about. Here you can see we only succeed when you succeed. It's completely free to get started. Keyword, it's completely free to get started. Free is the key word. We only receive a small percentage once you start earning on Patreon. This means that you can get started right now and you are only paying with that percentage of what you have already earned. Patreon plus an industry standard rate for processing payments from your patrons. So your patrons can be your customers, it can be your fans, it can be anybody who wants to support you on your creative journey, no matter what you're creating. And I've also taken you through the different types of creators that use Patreon. Light is the lowest amount percentage that will be taken from you. This is the lowest starter pack here. It says simple tools to set up reoccurring support from your fans. You will have to pay 5% with this package. 5% is so low that when you are earning a lot on this minimum package here, you will want to upgrade because you know it'll be beneficial for you at that point. You also have the plus payment processing. Hosted creator page, so of course you can create a page. Patreon communication tools, so you can have communication between yourself and those patrons that are helping you with your creative journey. And you have Patreon workshops. Patreon workshops, of course, Patreon hosts their workshops to help you along the way, much like other freelance websites can do. And this is different to a freelance website because you can get started for free and you are only paying a percentage. Then you have the pro package, which reads everything you need to build a thriving membership business that provides meaningful income for you and a rewarding experience for your biggest fans. So of course your biggest fans are going to want to support you, and this is where you can actually reward them for supporting you. It's crucial that when you have a subscription service or you're providing something as somebody is subscribing to you, in these terms a membership, that you are giving back enough to make it worthwhile. So your biggest fans are going to feel like it's worthwhile helping you along your creative journey. With this package you are only paying 8%, so we haven't even touched that 10% yet of your monthly income that you earn on Patreon. So of course if you're getting a large stream of income through Patreon, this 8% really isn't going to be harmful to you as it's so low. And if you look at other membership services at the moment, you are paying much more than 8%. You have the plus payment processing here. Let's see what you get with this package. You have everything in light, so everything that's available here on the left here, you have all that. Membership tiers, allow me to explain that. Imagine you have 3 levels of tiers, with number 1 being the top tier, number 2 being the middle tier, and number 3 being the lowest tier that you can have with your membership tiers. There will be different types of awards that you award to those different types of members, and of course that allows you to have an incentive for more members joining at different types of levels and different prices. Now you have the analytics and insights, so of course having that analytical information, that data is going to help you understand what types of memberships you are being most successful with, and it's also going to give you that data that you can then use to improve your memberships. Then you have special offers and promo tools. So as it says on the tin there, you can offer promotions towards your memberships. This could be 10% off, for example, for that specific month. Then you have creator-led workshops. So there are workshops not only that are offered by Patreon, but also other creators that are on Patreon. These workshops can help you towards improving your model of memberships that you have on Patreon. Unlimited app integrations. So an app integration is, for example, if another app is communicating with Patreon. For example, this can be a social media app that you use for a sign up process rather than somebody having to sign up directly through Patreon. That that could be a type of app integration that you are using with your Patreon, which allows for an ease of access. Or maybe you're selling on a store and this store has an application that Patreon is now allowing on their website. This will give you a way that somebody could purchase from you quite easily from your Patreon. This could be a type of app integration. That is what is meant by app integrations. Priority customer support. I don't really need to explain that one. Priority customer support is giving you customer support that is available on your Patreon. Then you have the premium price package, which is dedicated coaching and support for your established creators and creative businesses, plus premium features that save time and reward your patrons, which is key. You want to reward your patrons for helping you along your creative journey. This is going to cost you 12% of your monthly income you earn on Patreon. And then of course you have that plus payment processing, which is offered at all levels. With this, you get everything in Pro and Light. So of course, everything that's offered in Pro here and in Light, you are getting when you start up with a premium. You have a dedicated partner manager. You have merch for membership. So of course, if you are creating merchandise, this could be t-shirts, this could be phone cases, this could be a different type of design. Maybe you're on Etsy and you're designing something with Etsy. There is merchandise that you can design for your members, and this can be offered to your members through Patreon. So of course, that's what that means by merch for membership. And then you have team accounts. So of course, at that point, at a premium package, you are most likely building a team or have a team that is helping you along your creative journey. And this is where you can integrate this into your Patreon. Just thought I'd walk you through right now because it's extremely valuable, especially right now in the creator economy and where we are moving forward. There is a lot more where you can find here on my YouTube channel, especially in the online money playlist, which you can find online right now. My name's Anthony Allen. See you in the next one. And remember, you are awesome.